We already told you about Skoda taking charge of VW Group's new offerings in India. And now the company has also announced its new platform for the Indian market, the MQB A0. The new MQB A0 platform will form the underpinnings for a new mid-size SUV, which will come to India in 2020. It will be manufactured in India as well. The Volkswagen Group will then use the new platform for a range of other vehicles in India in the near future. The mid-size Skoda SUV will most likely take on the likes of the Hyundai Creta and will be a 5-seater. The Tesla Model 3 is the American automaker's most affordable offering and has seen over 500,000 bookings so far. Till a few weeks ago, Tesla was managing to manufacture only 3,000 units a week, which was almost 2,000 units less a week than the target. But now, the company has finally been able to achieve the target production of 5,000 units a week. The company has brought in special robots from Europe in order to expedite the process of setting up the new assembly line. The production of the Model 3 is likely to be scaled up more, and this will cut the waiting period. Kawasaki has started assembling the Ninja ZX-10R and the ZX-10RR in India, and that has resulted in a massive price drop for both vehicles by almost 6 lakh rupees. The ZX-10R is now priced at 12 lakh rupees, while the ZX-10RR costs 16 lakh 10,000 rupees. The Ninja ZX-10R is now the most affordable litre class superbike in India with its current price. Both the motorcycles will be assembled at Kawasaki's Chakan facility near Pune.
If you like this video and you like what we do, well, you've got to simply subscribe to our channel. We'll keep things simple yet comprehensive.